feeling about this
You
one.
don't rock and stone, you ain't coming home.
Remember, leave no one behind.
This is a salvage mission. A previous crew lost their mini-mules, their drop pod, and their lives in this cave. Find and repair the lost mules, get the drop pod operational, and return to base. Expect heavy infestation, and try not to mess it up like your former colleagues.
Get out the way! Make every bullet count!
Double-jointed freaks! Die!
Mule powering up. Good work.
Splat!
Bam! Feeling much better now. I got the freaking door. What don't die easily.
Let's get this car straight open.
Platform! Safety protocol, my ass!
That's all you got! Just embrace it!
Jet boot crate unlocked, easy as pie. Jet boots here. Time to hit the skies.
Go Crusher! Jet boots activated!
It's land!
I should call for the mule. That will teach you!
Airborne! Coordinates transferred. Gotta check my terrain scanner. Yeah! Goodbye, ground!
Fire in the hole! What's that smell? All right.
Not sure if you were truly alive, but now you're most certainly dead.
Impossible.
Ordering cleansing pod. That's a corruptor to deal with here.
Request received. Cleansing pod incoming.
Get your cleaning
Little
tools,
big
fellas!
corruptor.
We're on
Let's
cleaning
take it out.
Cleansing pod is on site. Direct all of your focus to the lithophage corruptor team.
I get infected, quarantine me in the abyss box. Ah, gross! It's spraying blood and pus all over!
Up, and away! We're through the corruptor's armor! Splatter it!
Plasma burster!
I'm not one of them yet, no.
Sucking up the foam.
Keep cleaning. Foaming up the area. Course exposed! Bring out your
Plasma
guns.
burster!
Kingdom come!
Jet boots on!
I need the damn minecart on legs. Where is it?
Wally is on the
Close
way.
to our quota.
Well done. Mule repaired. Plague cards all accounted for. Finish the mission and get back home.
Obey me! Much better.
Nicely done, team. You secured yourself a nice bonus.
Watch me fly!
The mules are heading back. Follow them and let's get that drop pod fixed. Remember, you can always drop pod. All mules secured. Now to get the pod working. First, establishing a proper connection between the pod and the space rig. Set up the uplink.
Bam!
This is becoming routine.
Sentry gun needs assembling. Sentry done! Go get him, Let's see if you can get me up here, stupid bugs!
Uplink ready. Triangulation initiated. Do not leave the triangulation zone or we will lose the connection. We only got one shot at this.
Here! Have some extinction!
Triangulation at 50%.
This is the best!
Triangulation at 75%. Almost there.
Hold your fire,
Throwing
you
sizzler!
red lump of lawn! Die, Krieg! Who's a good one?
Uplink triangulation completed. Remote control reestablished. Stand by, sending in fresh fuel cells for the drop pod.
Yeah!
Bring it, fuckers!
Booyah!
Good bugs.
Fuel cells have arrived. Connect them to the drop pod with the charge cable.
You're cute, but you're dead. The tin can's on the way to the drop pod. Let's keep up.
One sentry gun ready to be filled. Sentry on.
Inventory.
Ugh, never felt better.
Fuel cells connected to drop pod. Prepare the fuel cells for charge sequence.
Rocks and stones may break my bones, but beer will never hurt me. Gee, I'm feeling poetic
Sentry gun
today.
needs assembling. Oh!
Fuel cells charging. Stay close to keep them operational. We're expecting an increase in hostiles.
Wonder why you
Fuel cells at 50%.
Steve is gone. He was a good bug. And think, we almost killed you. Up!
Fuel cells at 75%. You're almost there.
For Carl!
cells fully charged. Drop pod engine powering up. Hold your ground. We're almost ready to pull you and the goods out.
Catch me if you can!
Pod reactor spooling up.
One sentry gun, ready to be built.
Onboard mainframe booting. Calculating orbital trajectory.
Friendly fire isn't actually friendly.
Powering radiation shielding. Ecom operational. Pod thrusters calibrated.
Pesticide coming up! Hurry up! Drop pod
Drop
isn't
pod
hanging
powered
around
up and
forever.
ready to leave. Get on board, we're leaving with or without you. Retrieving escape pod. Good work. Planetary cleansing.
Perk points claimed.